America's critical problem is attempting to figure out how to rebuild its economy to undo the damage that was done by offshoring of all the manufacturing industry during the process of financialization in the 1980s and 90s. There was this whole process of just all of the manufacturing went offshore and it created huge amounts of profits on Wall Street, and then America was suddenly left with a hollowed out economy. So when you start thinking about fixing this stuff, Apple spent an insane amount of money building supply chain management software so that they could get full integration of their physical manufacturing base into a kind of common operational picture that went over the entire manufacturing system. That is a very, very, very hard problem. But if you fix that very, very, very hard problem, what you get is not just digitization of assets, what you get is digitization of the material world in the manufactured form. And full end-to-end digitization of manufacturing, what the Germans call the Fourth Industrial Revolution. If you get that to work, what you get is a kind of CAD-CAM universe where every physical asset that's worth more than $50 has an entire history, an entire network graph of everything that it's made for and everything that it connects to and everything that it will eventually become. And that sort of thing, tokenization of equity, you could issue financial assets, that's cool. But the notion that you could literally take every manufactured object, give it a digital identity, and then network those things together and use AI to find, optimal configurations of the material world around us, I think that we can scarcely imagine the world that enables. And I think that it is going to be extremely visible to all parties within 5 years that is the future.